Welcome to School of Thumb, the series that asks experts to solve your common garden guesswork. This episode, we're starting from scratch and looking in on a patio with plenty of potential and a gardener that's keen to get going. We're pruning the prickly bits off gardening and getting you the answers to the questions you've been asking across Australia. This episode, we've got three experts from WA with wheelbarrows of wisdom. Sabrina, the biodiversity boffin, Steve, the sustainability specialist, and Jared, the nursery genius. Let's take that blank slate and serve it up to our experts. Okay, would you like to have a look at Laura's courtyard?
Yes, let's do.
Well, congratulations. What you got here is a beautiful blank slate.
Yeah.
It's a nice big courtyard. What are your plans?
I would love some colour, vibrancy, you know, a green wall, and to see some native plants, maybe birds and insects, and also take advantage of the northern side and get a vertical plant wall growing. The whole deal.
Okay, so you want to feel like you're inviting the neighbourhood over.
Yeah.
So much brick.
Why haven't you done it yet?
I don't know where to start.
Yeah.
What's the first step?
Lucky for you, I have the ear of a couple of experts.
Hey, that sounds good.
Okay, so what's she trying to achieve and how's she going to achieve it?
Well, she wants Australian plants, she wants to bring in birds, she wants colour. So, and that area's got a lot of brick paving on it and very tall brick walls. So her best choice is to get big pots and put Australian plants in there because little pots evaporate too quickly in summer and that's quite a hot area. So she needs 3 layers of plants. She needs a couple of tall plants and then mid-story and then ground covers and kangaroo paws. And you could, you know, if you've got nice deep troughs along that fence there, she could actually have quite a lot of plants that she could then take home with her.
Yeah.
I'd love to see her utilising that fence as well, and you know, perhaps hanging some sort of lattice work or bamboo screen or something.
Even them little hooks that you can buy that just hang over the fence. You can hang pots or even I heard you saying about the screen for the bamboo screen.
Oh yeah,
behind the troughs.
I'm sure she's got access to some great compost and mix that in 50-50 with some good potting mix, good slow release fertiliser, and whatever you plant in there. Can you imagine like the beautiful miniature kangaroo paws? They'll be in flower 9-10 months of the year.
Yeah, that's right.
Scavollas cascading down out of there. That'll bring the birds in. That'll give the colour to the area. And they'll thrive in those larger pots if they're set up right from the start.
She'll walk out that courtyard and go, "Holy dooly, look at what I've made here."
It'll look good, can look great.
So bring some big pots to this rental. Lots of variety of heights and sizes and colours and flowers. And just get that soil
So important.
composted.
Compost, bring it in.
All right. Love it. Let's go to the workbench. All right, you've got 3 big pots and all of these plants. How do you do it?
Spacing is everything. The Banksia, big plant, big pot, its own space. Mid-level, Eremophila, Grevillea, they quite like being together. Put that in another big pot. We're going to cram these ones in their own big pot because we want that instant splash of colour.
I love it. All right, Laura, just get out there, get a big pot and start collecting beautiful Australian bird-attracting colour and bring it home to your courtyard. Well, that's a wrap on our West Australian episodes of School of Thumb. But yes, we will be visiting other states very shortly, so keep an eye on your socials for those new episodes dropping soon. And don't forget to visit your local nursery as they could be running a School of Thumb session on your doorstep. Till next time, happy growing, Australia.